Krackavelli. In 19. What do you think of the TomTom? Let's go open up. Tom, are you going to be the boss of this one too?
Completely not interested.
Say hi. Say hi to Kitty. Hello. Say hi to Tom. All right, Tom, you're going to have to come out, baby. Can you pull him back? Come on, Tom is lazy today. Golly.
Anything else? Anything?
He lives with him. Oh, he's getting very stiff and very, like staring. Tom, what do you
My
think?
dogs do too.
Come on. Go say hi. Are your dogs, your cat's dog savvy?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
I
he's
am.
very dog savvy.
I have one that's literally been chasing my cats around my house for 7 years.
Oh.
Never once caught them. Does not stop him from driving every day.
Oh my God. He's like, I don't want to get hurt.
I'd rather not interested.
Tom, come up here. Come up high, and then you can beat him up too, if you feel like that. Come on. He doesn't want to get close to the kitty at all. Nope, I'm not going back in the run. Yeah, what's happening? He's insecure. Aww. Well, he's not
Perfect.
that's perfect. He's not interested at all. He's like, yeah, I don't trust the darn cat.
Perfect response.
Yep.
Ball.
Ball. Yeah, that's good. I don't have anything. No toys, no nothing. Tom, you're such a... He's so chill,
Okay.
this cat. So who next?